Morning, dear students.
Motion.
Today,
In our everyday life, we see some objects around us. So before we see about motion, we will be seeing about what's an object. Anything with physical properties or characteristics or attributes, we call it an object. So around you there may be many objects which you might have witnessed. So we will classify this objects into two types, the object at rest as well as object in motion. As for now, we will be seeing the object at rest first, then we will be seeing the object in motion. This object at rest can be classified into two major classification, that is natural object and artificial object. Natural objects are obtained in nature, whereas an artificial objects is been made by humans, that is they are the man-made objects. For example, the natural objects are mountains, trees which are obtained in nature, and it cannot move. It is stationary or at rest. Whereas, an artificial object are, the house, the factory or institution, which is made by humans, that cannot move and are stationary or at rest. Therefore, anything which have a property or characteristics, and which cannot move, and are obtained in nature are called, natural objects at rest. So, now we will be seeing about the motion. We can see around us the objects are in motion by means of its position change. Just like object at rest, object in motions can be classified into two types, natural objects and artificial objects. We can again classify the natural objects into two types, living object and non-living object. The objects that breathes air are called living objects. An object which do not breathe are called non-living objects. Living objects can be classified again into two types, big objects and small objects. Let's see here some examples of living objects. Sheep, bird, fish etc. are all big living objects. Amoeba, blood flow, parenthesis etc. are all small living objects. Similarly, non-living objects can be classified into two types, big objects and small objects. Planets, stars, galaxies etc. are all examples of non-living big objects. Atoms, molecules, electrons, etc. airport are all examples of non-living small objects. Now we will see non-natural objects, that is artificial objects, which is human-made object. Bus, ship, rocket etc. are all big artificial objects, whereas mobile phone, stethoscope, microchips extras are all small artificial objects. All the artificial objects are made by humans. But when you come to the natural object, who made it? Who made the natural objects? For the answer to this unsolved question, you can visit the YouTube channel as prescribed here on the screen or click on the yellow logo above or type JOHN146 in YouTube search, you will get the same yellow logo with caption JOHN146. Stay tuned for our next video coaching and training from the basic to advance. Thank you.